83。パピ、それは83。これ何？
What are you gonna get? I'm taking a video. Mommy mo, can you get me a vanilla ice cream, soft cream? Sometimes I want.
え、それ押せばできるの？
Guys, tapos na kami mag-IKEA. Nakita na namin yung gusto naming tingnan. Namili kami ng meatballs. Yun ang ulamin namin guys, which is very easy. Kasi isa-fry lang yun. Super easy. Kaya I'm so happy. So ngayon, papunta na kami ng grocery para makapag-grocery ng 1 week. The next Friday, meron akong whole body check-up. And to be very honest, natatakot ako. Natatakot ako guys kasi first time kong mag-exam, ng physical exam. Wala akong pasok ngayong Friday, na off ko na yon para sa aking Kenkosindan. Friday, what do you guys want to eat? Friday, spaghetti ni Sir. De, Wednesday beef to, squash to. Green beans with beef. Minaski dyan. Okay. Yun, kompleto na. Kompleto na ang ating 1 week meal guys. Yung dinner namin today, pinaka-easy lang. Baka bumili lang kami ng take out dito sa guys, sa mall. Still sa car, but I just thought of doing grocery beauty home since wala pa sila daddy na pa sa namili ng food. Okay, so bumili ako ito guys. Nakagamit na ako ito before, pero hindi itong brand, hindi yung brand na ito. And it's my first time to use this brand. Ito yung ginagamit guys pang sa paa. So I use this, natutulog ako with this and daddy. Nilalagyan ko din siya. Yan. Medyo matagal-tagal ko na din ito hindi nagamit and I would love to use this again. First time kong bili ng dito kalaking pack actually. First time. Before, ang binibili ko is yung sachet lang. Kasi try lang. I would love to use this daily. Every night. And then, I got this kirikay kasi naiwan ko kasi ubos na. Yan. And then, I got daddy this Milano CC for men. Kasi ang ginagamit ko sa kanya is yung sa akin. But, I got myself a new toothbrush again. I change my toothbrush every 2 weeks, guys. Minsan nakakalimutan kong palitan kahit na nandyan na yung kapalit niya. But I'm trying to pay attention, guys. Yeah. And also, this is my first time to bought this. Yan. My first time. And yeah, it's anti-shine and yung sa pores kasi I have pores here and I don't like it. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon is nilalagyan ko siya ng petroleum jelly. Yan. I am very excited to use this guys. I'll use it in the morning kasi minsan sa morning yung aking face is very shiny. basta. Ayaw ko lang, hindi ko lang kung type ng skin ko. Oily yata ako. I don't know, hindi ko din talaga alam. But one time, sabi nung kasama ko sa work na, hala, nag-ano ka? Nagpapawisan daw ako. Hindi naman ako nagpapawisan. Shiny na talaga yung mukha ko. So, doon ako na ano ako. Sila, be careful eh. Na ano ako guys. Sabi ko, ganito ka. Na-shiny ang mukha ko para mapagkamaran akong pinagpapawisan. So, yun, naghanap ako na ganito. Anti-shine siya sa T-zone. Kaya, yan. I would love to use it every morning na from tomorrow. Sarah! Stop running. Open the door. Get inside. Okay, let's have a grocery haul. So first off, we got 3 milks. Yan. Okay, can you put in the fridge? Be very careful. Hindi na ako nakapag-grocery haul kahapon sa Costco, but we paid around 33,000 yen. And then we got milk, milk and egg.
How did you eat milk?
And breads.
Or milk.
Breads, orange. Yan, orange and onion.
Okay.
Tapos, carrots and this potato.
Oh, you just put it on the floor?
That's from kahapon, guys. We got toilet paper. We got kitchen towel. Rice. Rice, ponzu, soy sauce. Pantry lang talaga ang binili namin kahapon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Sobrang antok ko na talaga. So, for today, we got this. Bumili ako ng Napolitan na spaghetti. Snacks to ni Kuya. And including sa aming 1 week na food for this week is itong meatball ng IKEA. Napanggit ko na yan kanina sa ano yan, Wednesday. Tapos, for Sarah's snacks, I got her this jelly.
Oh, it's
Mikan jelly. Here you go.
It's an orange jelly.
Kasi may, ano na sila, may jam and may pizza sauce, so they can also make pizza bread. We got this for daddy, the soy milk for daddy.
Soy milk.
And then for Sarah, I want her to try this. It's a like sweet curry. And I hope she's gonna, I hope she'll
Oh, I
like
like
it.
curry.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Just put it here.
Chocolate curry?
Not like necessarily. Kukuha ko po naman.
Okay.
Put it up. Yeah, put it up.
Noritama.
Yeah. Okay. Also kone. And then also another for Kuya in case nagugutumin siya. So laging may ganito kasi favorite niya to. We got meat. This is for pork and then chicken. Yung chicken, guys, are you okay? Yung chicken, guys, is I got this jumbo, like parang saving nanto ka. Parang nakakatipid ito kasi yung jumbo. And when bibili kami ng meat, it's mostly koksan, like domestic ang binibilin ko. As much as possible, yun ang binibili ko, guys. No, you're not gonna touch this. So, this is for tomorrow kasi we're gonna make hala. Wala nga pala akong sabang. Nakakabili ng cabbage. Anyway, kasi magtitino lang manok kami tomorrow.
Ito just ko.
Freezer.
Oh, what is it? What's down? Oh, kutukuro.
Tomorrow na ka.
Oh, so what is it?
Ito natin. Kakuko dito.
Vlog, I want you to make my mom happy to get 1,405 subscribers. Please make my mom happy.
And also, thank you, my love. And also, we got her her popcorn.
Popcorn.
Here you go. And then I think that's it. That's it. Yun lang.
That's it, Mom. You're done.
For juice naman guys, we got this 3 pineapples.
I'm good. I have it.
Hindi ko alam ba't ito ang ito ang gusto ko sana mas marami, but anyway. 3 cucumber. And I think may natira pa dito. And sakto. Isang cucumber, isang pinya ang natira guys. So ito yung sa juice namin everyday. And meron din ko, good news. Meron akong what do you call that? Spinach. Horenzo. For tomorrow na sabaw. Good job. Hindi ko alam na meron. Kasi yun din yung ginagamit ko for, sinasali ko yun sa juice guys. And then siguro I'll try pineapple and then carrots. Para hindi na kami mag-add ng cucumber kapag naubos to sa kasakali. So, yun guys. Yun lang yung grocery natin for this week. Monday, kinulang manok. Tuesday, hindi ko alam. May spam kami dito. Ito, binili ko to in case of emergency na, kapag gusto ng mga bata ng, oh my gosh. I just remember. Hindi kami nakabili ng guys, Parmesan cheese. Anyway. Baka ito yung Tuesday or magpipizza sila. Hindi ko alam. But sa Tuesday kasi may dinner ang daddy. So kami lang. And Wednesday, I think ang kakainin namin siya sa IKEA. And as I mentioned kanina, meron pa kami isang sauce. Then, so that's it. And then Thursday, yung ginisang pork with potato. Igigisa ko sa bawang, sibuyas, at saka potato. Yun. And then Friday is meat sauce spaghetti, which is yun, nabili din na namin kahapon. Nakabili na kami ng meat sauce. And then bumili din kami ng spaghetti. So yun, ang kailangan na lang is yung ground meat. Yun, so yun yung food namin for the whole week guys. And I hope it gives you a little idea kung anong kakainin for the week. Anyway, that would be all guys sa ating grocery for the week. What else? I guess yun lang. And sayang, hindi ako nakapag-grocery kahapon hindi ako grocery haul kahapon sa Costco, but it's okay. Maybe next time. Pasensya na kayo. Sobrang antok ko na talaga. What do you want to do? You want to do the
Cucumbers.
cucumber?
Yes.
Okay, finish that. Okay. Imam mo sa sakit. Moya si kau na water ta. Sorry.
6度食べたんですけどね。
So guys, ito na lahat. Ito na yung lahat ng aming nagawa. Yan. Yung sibuyas hindi ko na in-slice, yan na lang. Para kasi easy lang naman to. Hindi na siya kailangan i-slice. Pinya, broccoli, cucumber, tapos yung potato, and then yung meat guys. Ayan, ganito. Nire-reuse ko yung ganito. Nire-reuse ko. Ayan. Ayan. Tinulungan ako ni daddy, kaya ang laking tulong. Kaya ang bilis. Natapos. Okay, iba talaga kapag itutulungan guys. Kaya magtulungan tayong lahat. Kapag may kaano ka, kahati ka ng trabaho, papagaan ang ginagawa mo. So, kapag ganito, yung pagluto ko, easy na lang siya. Hindi na ako masyado nahihirap. Hindi ako nahihirapan.
For 30 minutes to show.
Ako nasa fruits kasi si daddy at saka sila magagawa.
アップライトを合わせたね。はい。
この鉛筆なんでしょう。なんだこの鉛筆。
書き方鉛筆？
じゃあ終わり、okay? Or you would have be like a strawberry sauce like that.
Anyway, that would be all guys. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys again next week. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to our guys.
Like and subscribe and comment if you like my beer joke.
Love you guys.
I love you. Bye bye. Oh wait.